Solitaire, Cash, and KashKick are built around different ways of earning rewards. So the better option depends on whether you prefer playing games or completing online tasks. By the end, you will know how Solitaire, Cash, and KashKick compare, what type of user each platform fits, and what to check before spending your time on either one. The first difference is how you earn rewards. Solitaire Cash focuses on card game competitions where users play solitaire-style games and earn rewards based on the platform's system. If you already enjoy this type of game, the experience feels like entertainment first with rewards connected to your activity. KashKick works differently because it is a rewards platform with different earning opportunities. Users generally look through available tasks and choose the activities that match what they want to complete. This creates the first major choice. If you like skill-based games and want your earning activity to feel like playing, Solitaire Cash may fit your style better. If you prefer choosing from different reward opportunities, KashKick may offer a different experience. The second difference is how you should judge your results. With Solitaire Cash, your experience depends on how much you enjoy the games and how well you perform. A person who dislikes card games may spend more effort than they expect. With KashKick, the best approach is checking available tasks carefully and focusing on options that match your interests and available time. The third difference is consistency. Neither platform should be judged only by one short session. Rewards platforms can change based on available activities, account eligibility, and how each person uses the service. Before choosing either one, check the current app rules, available options, and reward requirements directly inside the platform. A simple way to decide is this: choose Solitaire Cash if you want a game-focused experience. Choose KashKick if you want a broader rewards platform with different activities to explore. The key points are simple. Solitaire Cash is centered around solitaire-style gameplay, while KashKick focuses on completing available reward activities. The better choice depends on which type of activity you will actually use consistently. Your next step is to open both platforms, review what is available in your account, and compare which one matches your preferred way of earning rewards. If this comparison helped you make a decision, subscribe for more app reviews, earning guides, and platform breakdowns.